Okay, so I'm making puppy chow, and I pulled up the peanut butter, and he's really curious about it. So we're gonna do the peanut butter on the roof trick. This is his first time ever trying peanut butter. His name's Bear. You say hi? Say hi? Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna put that camera. Alright, nope, come here. Bear. 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 He's got some in his mouth right there. Is that good? Huh? You don't like mommy right now, do you? No, my fingers are everywhere. Oh, you want more? Huh? You got some right there. Okay, and then the other finger. Yeah, here you go. Is that good? Huh? You still going at it? Bear. Is that good? Look at his tail. Let's show people your teeth. All gone. All gone. Say bye. Bear. Bear. Say bye. Bye-bye.